we will study the process of microsporogenesis. What is microsporogenesis? The process of formation of microspore from a pollen mother cell by meiosis is called microsporogenesis. Microsporogenesis takes place inside the male reproductive unit. Male reproductive unit is stamen or androecium. Stamen contain two-part filament and anther. Anther is bilobed and it contains two theca. When we cut the section view of anther lobe, then we can study this structure. Here, bilobed anther consists of two theca. Bilobed anther consists of two theca separated by connective and septum, and these are line of dehiscence. After the maturation, line of dehiscence help to rupture the wall, and these are the pollen sac. Pollen sac is also known as microsporangium. Microsporangium is the place where microspore germinate. तो pollen sac के inside में pollen grain germinate होंगे and कुछ यहाँ पर special cells present होती हैं. With the help of that cell microspore germinate होगा and इस स्ट्रक्चर को अगर हम सेक्शन व्यू करेंगे, ट्रांसवर्स सेक्शन करेंगे इस एंगल का, तो हमें नेक्स्ट डायग्राम देखने को मिलेगा. एंड इस डायग्राम में हम देखेंगे 4 लेयर्स हैं एंड दीज 4 लेयर आर सराउंडेड एंड दीज हैव स्पेसिफिक फंक्शन. outermost layer is called epidermis. It is the most outer single layer of cell which is protective in nature, and second layer is endothecium. It is the second layer which also help in protecting, and it also help to dehiscence of wall. Third layer, middle layer. Middle layer is the third layer composed of 1 to 3 layers, help in dehiscence and protective in nature. And fourth layer is tapetum. It is the innermost layer of cell with a dense cytoplasm and many nuclei inside it. There are many nuclei consist inside the tapetum. And function of this tapetum, क्या है function इसका? To give nourishment to developing pollen grain. इसके inside में pollen grain develop होंगे and tapetum इन्हें न्यूट्रिशन प्रोवाइड करेगा. तो आउट ऑफ दिस 4 layers, 3 layers are protective in nature, and the fourth layer, innermost layer tapetum, give nutrition to the pollen grain. Now, at the center of tapetum, sporogenous tissues are present. यहाँ पर sporogenous tissues present है. microsporangium में closely arranged sporogenous tissues हैं. These sporogenous tissues give rise to primary mother cell of pollen grain और pollen mother cell. ये किसका फॉर्मेशन करेंगे? pollen mother cell का फॉर्मेशन करेंगे. Now pollen mother cell में आगे meiosis डिवीजन होगा. meiosis डिवीजन से माइक्रोस्पोर टेट्राड स्ट्रक्चर का फॉर्मेशन होगा. PMC pollen mother cell undergoes the meiosis division and form microspore tetrad. And on the maturity case, microspore ये डिहाइड्रेट होगा और pollen grain रिलीज होंगे. ये प्रोसेस स्पोरोजिनस टिश्यू से होगी. स्पोरोजिनस टिश्यू पर स्पोरोजिनस टिश्यू फॉर्म the microspore mother cell, because these are known as potential mother cell. PMC are also known as potential mother cell, and after meiosis it form microspore tetrad. Microspore tetrad now after the dehiscence form the pollen grain. Now we will study the structure of pollen grain with the next diagram. Pollen grains are formed by the meiosis division. Pollen grain represent the male gametophyte. Pollen grain are spherical in nature, spherical in structure, and these are surrounded by two prominent layers, outer layer and inner layer. Developing pollen grain developed by the process of mitosis division, and here spindle fibers are formed inside the nucleus. पॉलन ग्रेन के न्यूक्लियस में स्पिंडल फाइबर का फॉर्मेशन होगा, एंड यहाँ पर एसिमेट्रिक स्पिंडल फॉर्म होंगे। या एसिमेट्रिक स्पिंडल टू न्यूक्लियस का फॉर्मेशन करेंगे। टू न्यूक्लियस, फर्स्ट फॉर्म जनरेटिव सेल एंड सेकेंड फॉर्म वेजिटेटिव सेल। पॉलन ग्रेन में टू लेयर्स एक्साइन और इंटाइन स्पेशल मटेरियल की बनी होती हैं। एक्साइन बनी होती है स्पोरोपोलेनिन की, एंड इंटाइन बनी होती है सेल्यूलोज एंड पैक्टिन की। एक्साइन का स्पोरोपोलेनिन हार्डेस्ट मटेरियल है, एंड नो वन केमिकल कैन डाइजेस्ट स्पोरोपोलेनिन, एंड in some places of exine apertures are present from where pollen tube or germ pore present that elongate pollen tube. germ pore की हेल्प से pollen tube elongate होगी। At the next stage, the pollen grain has a central nucleus and dense cytoplasm. Protoplasm mitotically divides into two and form two cells. First one is vegetative cell, second one is generative cell. Now this structure, this mature pollen grain structure is known as two-celled state. Two-celled stage of pollen grain. In majority of angiosperm, pollen grains are released in two-celled stage, whereas in other species the generative cell divides into two male gametes, and thus the pollen is shed in three stages. Pollen grain has some important features, like they can store for the future, and pollen grains are male reproductive unit for sexual reproduction. They contain male gamete, and they are nutrient rich and thus taken as food supplement. And for the preservation, these are preserved in liquid nitrogen for years at the 196 degrees Celsius, and to be used later in crop breeding program. So these are the whole discussion about the pollen grain, mature pollen grain. And pollen grain are most important for the pollination. Thank you.